Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to use the latest version of the Instagram app to see this type of message. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your settings, then go to the apps, then search here Instagram. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on delete data. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After that, go back, open your Play Store, then search here Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then update from here. Press on update, then wait for completion. After updating Instagram, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.